this jobs report is pretty much Goldilocks. What's interesting, and comment on it if you've looked at the numbers. I'm just looking at them now, but if we get what should be or could be a sequential slowdown in January, just based on what we talked about yesterday, just the dynamics of Omicron, restaurants closing, et cetera, school systems, New York shut down. You could actually have a bad jobs report now after this one. That's like, to me, this is the spot, obviously in terms of where I think rates are going to go down anyway. But did you glean something contrary to that?
Yeah, no, just the headline. So obviously a big miss, 199,000, basically half of what the street was looking for. But the unemployment rate ticked down about 20 basis points, down to 3.9. So, I think, we'll take a look at it. I mean, the claims numbers yesterday were basically sort of steady sideways, up a little, but sort of unremarkable. One thing I didn't mention earlier is that they've stopped reporting the PUA and PUC numbers. So those are out. So that was, about 1/3
Why
continuing. Yeah, they didn't give a reason why. They basically just stopped including them, and then they had a little sort of asterisk footnote, basically saying that if you want to keep following the numbers, you can do so at this sort of other link and spreadsheet. So, yeah, it's a little weird. So they sort of restated actually the previous week without those numbers in it. So, yeah, I think we're down to like 1.7 million continuing claims, which puts us basically back to where we were sort of pre-pandemic, ex the PUA PUC. So this number obviously pretty sharp divergence versus the what was it, 807 we got from ADP a couple days ago. So this will definitely, I would imagine, go a fair way toward tempering the enthusiasm of late at the long end. So we'll sort of keep an eye on it, but I'll go through the report, and if there's more in there, we'll put something out.
Hey, just want to add something. The Supreme Court has that case this morning on the vaccine mandate, and every business association, the retail association, the restaurant, everyone is in court at the Supreme Court today, telling them if you enforce on January 10th that vaccine mandate for all employers with over 100 employees, affecting 84 million employees, a lot of people are going to quit. And that has ripple effects across the economy. That's one of the big issues before the court this morning on whether to allow that OSHA mandate to go into effect. So it has huge job impacts. Like I said, every business association is before the court asking them to delay that mandate, because they say if it goes into effect, and even the administration agrees, a lot of people are going to say, I'm not taking that vaccine, and they're going to quit. So that's also potentially a big issue.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.